Take a ride in the 2002 Thunderbird. The Ford Thunderbird has been an icon in the Ford Motor Company since the 1960s. It was reintroduced in the late 80s as a more mature option than the Ford Mustang. With its sporty, flowing coupe body style, reasonable backseat space, and moderate price range, the Thunderbird is for car enthusiasts and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, leather seats, tachometer, airbags, speed proportional power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.